What's up guys, thank you. So Samsung has unveiled the final design and name for its cutting edge Galaxy Fold phone that has a screen that folds in half and costs $1,980. The new device will be released on 26th April in the US and 3rd May in Europe. After nearly a decade in the making, the Galaxy Fold literally folds in half like a book to use as a phone with a 4.6-inch screen on the outside and unfolds to reveal a large 7.3-inch screen to use as a tablet on the inside. The Samsung Senior Vice President for Mobile Justin Dennison said, "With the Galaxy Fold, we are giving you a powerful smartphone and a revolutionary tablet." Available in 4G and 5G versions, the phone is seen as a crucial product for Samsung as it tries to maintain its position as the biggest smartphone manufacturer against stiff competition from its Chinese rivals. It also comes with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, making it one of the most powerful smartphones available. It also has 6 cameras, 3 on the back, 2 on the big screen and 1 on the front side for selfies when the phone is closed. DJ Ko, the head of Samsung's mobile business, said, "We are pushing past the boundaries of technology to inspire renewed innovation and interest in the smartphone industry."